So hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich Charpentier, and I'm the channel host. And if you're here, you're probably interested in drones. So, well, and mobile technology and other things. But mostly what we've been doing here lately is drones, talking about building a drone business, and doing some fun flights and tutorials. So, over the holiday weekend, Thanksgiving weekend, not too long ago, northern Arizona got treated to some snow and some rain and some gray days. And for a little while, I felt like I was back in New England. So, kind of felt like a classic New England Thanksgiving. I remember lots of snow as a kid. But kind of unusual here, doesn't happen as often. But so with all that bad weather, a lot of flying time went right out the window. I kept wanting to get out, and I'd watch for the forecast, and they'd say, okay, next day is going to be all right. And it was still overcast and crazy stuff. Finally, yesterday, I got to go out and do some video setup. I'm actually setting up some new flight paths for one of my regular web clients who wants some more multimedia on their website. So yesterday I was out for a couple hours setting up some Litchi Waypoint missions. I used Litchi heavily for several different applications for my construction progression jobs that I'm doing, and I also use it for laying out interesting flight paths for fun. And that's what I was doing yesterday. So I actually popped up a new video on that, and it's over on my Patreon channel. I'll be releasing it here in the near future as well, I'm sure, but I figured the folks on the Patreon channel, they get first shot at it. But today I wanted to share a little something with you. I had a little bit of fun setting up another flight path along a trail through the Granite Dells. This is going to be part of the bigger project. So the final version isn't put together yet. So what you're about to see is me testing out a flight path with Litchi. So I actually have the application flying the drone up along the trail that I'm on, and I walk along behind it. So you're going to say to yourself when you see this video, well, Rich, why didn't you just use the tracking? You know, DJI Go 4 app or Litchi. There's so many apps that allow you to track yourself. And my answer to that is a pretty simple one. I want the same flight path over and over again because I'm going to have people hiking up this trail during the winter, during the spring, during the summer, and during the fall. So we're going to see the change of seasons. And yes, I could do tracking on other people who are hiking up this trail as well. I could have the drone follow them really nicely. And that's one way to go at it. But since I want to have the same exact path, I want the drone to be in the same exact positions time and time again, I thought it would be better to use Litchi to lay out a waypoint mission that we can follow along with. I set the mission up at 3 miles an hour, and we've got me walking along with the drone, having the drone look down at me. So of course I keep staring up at the drone because, hey, I'm a goof. So as you watch this, you're going to be like, oh, yep, there goes Rich. He's staring at the drone again, staring at the drone again. I wanted to see where it was in relation to me, if I was walking a little too fast, if it was going too fast or too slow, and I'm pretty satisfied with the results. So what you're about to see is actually a pre-programmed flight with Litchi. I've saved that flight so that I can use that flight time and time again. And I even found some fun music to go along with the little hike up along the trail into the rocks. And a big plug somewhere down in my show notes. I've got a link to Soundstripe. But so a big plug to Soundstripe because I decided I wanted to have a little fun with the video. And so I looked up audio tracks with whistling in them. Yep, you've been warned. You can go ahead and turn the volume down if you want to, if you don't need to hear a cutesy little song with whistling in it. With all that said, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to let you watch this, have a little fun with it. If you'd like to see more about those types of Litchi missions, at the end of the video here, I'll have some links. And also, I've got those little info cards that drop down from the upper right corner of your screen. So check that out. And also, if you enjoy this and you enjoy what we're doing on the channel, think about becoming a patron through Patreon. Links are down in the show notes as well. And I hope you have fun with this. There's more coming. I'm setting up multiple paths in this particular location. So I'll be doing some more recording on location and showing people how all this stuff comes together. But in the meantime, have fun with this one. And we won't be missing too long from the channel. The little break here has been almost 100% weather related, and some work related and some holidays related. All right, everyone, have an awesome time. Enjoy the video.